everyone, welcome to a new video. Welcome to another unboxing video, and today's unboxing is a new book subscription box that I am introducing to my channel. So it's been one I've been really waiting for, and I managed to get one of their February boxes, which I thought I wasn't able, but they had some like extra when they obviously started shipping them out, so I just literally grabbed one literally straight away. So I have here the Fairyloot Bookmarks unboxing box, and this is the February of box. I actually missed out on the January one because I was still debating whether or not I should get it because I already had subscribed to Owlcrate, but this was available after they shipped out the February one, something like that, and I literally snatched it when I saw they were available to purchase in their Fairy Trove shop thing that they have on the website. So I literally grabbed it, and I'm here to unbox it. So this literally came so quickly. Obviously this comes from the UK, so it literally came within a day and a half. So it shipped on Tuesday and it was here on Thursday, literally Thursday 8 AM, literally before I literally walked out the house. I think it was just before 8 AM, and it was literally at my door. I was like, oh my god, it's here already. I was not expecting it, but amazing service from the UK to Malta, 2 days tops, fabulous. So let's open this box and see what's in here. I've been told this is a really good book subscription box, so I'm debating whether or not to keep Owlcrate and get this only, or just keep both. I'm still debating on it, especially price wise and stuff like that. I think price wise they came pretty much to the same kind of amount, about 40 euros including shipping, but I still am not sure which book box is the best for me exactly. So I'm just gonna keep it up for a couple of months and then see, especially since I follow a Facebook group, and it kind of tells you what books are coming out when they do that. They're like March like book of the month and stuff like that. They kind of just know what the book is gonna be about because we have some amazing people who follow these things. But without further ado, let's just get into the February box because I'm just gonna keep rambling on as per usual. Let's go. Okay, so opening the box. Oh, already dropped something. Okay, this is the spoiler card. This is so cute, and this is the Rulebreakers box for February. So this is the gorgeous card. It's so cool, and obviously you get all the info of what's inside in this box. So let's open this. It's so big. Look how much stuff's in here. It's ridiculous, and I really love the pattern, so that's a bonus. Oh my god. Okay, I'm already seeing a mug. So with the Owlcrate last month, I think we had a mug, so I love these mugs. I just think they're so cool, and I don't drink any coffee or tea or anything, but I kind of use these for other things. So this is the Serpent and Dove ceramic mug, and this is designed by Merwald and Co. and Tara Tia. I'm gonna just find, there you go. So that's that one. So Serpent and Dove is a really popular book, which I haven't had my hand on yet, but again, everything is still so new to me, so I will get there in the end. Oh, this is really nice. Oh, this is very secure. So black and, oh, that's pretty. Black inside with that design. What's the design? Oh, it's a serpent and a dove. Okay, got ya. Where's the serpent? Just try and turn it. There you go. So the serpent and the dove, and I'm guessing these are the characters in the book. So I haven't read it, so I can't really tell you who they are, but you know, slowly I will get into these things. Everything's still rather new for me, so let's put that back in. Very lovely quality as well. So oh my god, beautiful. Okay, I'm hoping this is a scarf. I'm just actually going to read the spoiler card because I'm hoping this is a scarf because it feels like a scarf. Oh my god, it is. Okay, so back in June 2019, they featured A Sorcery of Thorns by Margaret Rogerson, and we're so happy to see many of you loving this book that we thought we'd do so. Of course, we had to include an item that celebrates the wonderfully brave and rebellious characters in it. There is Silas as a cat, a stack of books to represent the grimoires, and thorns for Nathaniel. The foil scarf features a stunning and shiny exclusive design by Tara Tia or TJ. We hope it keeps you warm and bookish. So this is inspired by Sorcery of Thorns, which I really want to get. It's a such, oh, this is pretty. Okay, look at that design. So there's the cat with the books, there's thorns. I think that's everything, and it's a really nice black foil scarf. I don't think I really want to use this. This is just so pretty. Okay, Fairyloot. This is the second item and I'm loving it already. Okay, next. Okay, we have a Mordor Luggage Tag designed by Bookmarks Tattoos. This is pretty. Okay, I love luggage tags. Just gonna say, one does not simply walk into Mordor. So this is again a book I've not read, so this is what I love about these things, because there'll be books I've never read but then I'm really interested in getting. So travel in style with this exclusive Mordor Luggage Tag designed by the amazing Bookmarks Tattoos and Love You More Studio. It's inspired by the Lord of the Rings and it'll make it easy for you to recognize your bag while traveling back to the Shire or Rivendell. So that is really cool. Lord of the Rings. Okay. I'm seeing a lip balm. I'm not joking. Is this some lip balm? Yeah, it is. Okay. So Malachaz Strawberry Prosecco lip balm. Fairyloot exclusive by littleheartgifts.co.uk. So let me show you guys. There we go. So let's go. Oh, am I doing it the other way? Sorry, my bad. There we go. So that is the lip balm. That's so cool, and it's white inside. Oh, that smells amazing. And the strawberry prosecco is really good. So let's see this fine, the lip balm. Okay, so you can never have too many lip balms, true. During the winter season, we hope you like this lush bookish lip balm made exclusively for Fairyloot by the amazing Little Heart Gifts. It has a luxury scent of strawberry prosecco and inspired by the mischievous Malachaz, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, from Wicked Saints by Emily A. Duncan. So that is really, really cute. Okay, oh my god, there's so much stuff in here. We have bookmarks. Is there bookmarks on here? Not sure. Not seeing anything. Oh yeah, foil bookmarks. Yeah, these are the ones. Okay, so Mia from the Nevernight series by J. Kristoff, which says here, is known for breaking the rules, so we had to include two beautiful foil bookmarks and a sticker inspired by the series. Okay, I'm gonna get the sticker. Okay, the designs were created by the one and only Novarantail. So these are the bookmarks. Oh my god, they're so stunning. And probably this is the sticker. So these are really cute, and I like bookmarks. Oh, and are they? Oh, they're double-sided. So they're double-sided. That's cool. So there we go. So that's really nice. Oh my god, I think I'm really liking the Fairyloot. Oh my god, they're so pretty. Ooh, tarot cards. I heard about these. So you collect these. They started doing the tarot cards. So this is 9 of Cups. And this is 10 of Cups. Now, who are these people? I'm not sure if they're on here. I really don't know if they are. Yeah, this month's featured tarot cards are 9 of Cups and 10 of Cups. They're designed by the talented Gabriella Bujuso and inspired by The Strange Little Dreamer by Lani Taylor. Now, I really want to I really want to read that book. Books with Chloe from Books with Chloe said it was one of her favorite books. So I really want to read it. And I tried to find the particular blue hardcover, and it's so hard to find. So I might actually try and find it when I'm in England, because I didn't find it here. So it's a bit particular, and I like to get some. If there's a book that I really want, that's the book I want to get. We have an art print, and this I saw it somewhere. Let me see where I was reading it. Presenting you with this Sun exclusive We Hunt the Flame art print by the talented Novarantail. We Hunt the Flame by Hafsa Faisal is one of our favorites. So I'm guessing this is the art print. This is really cute, but I don't think I've ever heard of that. So that's something new to think about. And what I love about Fairyloot, oh my god, I'm so excited, is their little bags to put the books in. I just think it's so cool. So I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna see what's in here. Oh my god. But obviously I think I'm already reading from the spoiler card, but I just want to see it in action. So let's get it out. I just love how everything's in a little. So I'm seeing more goodies in here. This is ridiculous. There's so much stuff in here. Wow. I'm not joking. Oh, we have another bookmark from the Rulebreakers. So that was in the box, which I just picked up. We have, I'm gonna get the spoiler card next to me because I just need it. We have, what's this? Oh, let's just talk about the book. So the book is Tricia Levenstella, The Shadow Between Us. And I've heard a lot about this. Oh, this is really pretty. Look at that in the like, you can see it. Oh my god, this is so interesting. A lot of people are talking about this book. So our feature book of the month is The Shadow Between Us. It's a swoon-worthy Slytherin romance. Harry Potter, you know, where the characters are I can't get that name, I can't get that word out. Unapologetically questionable morals. Our edition has exclusive cover artwork on the dust jacket by, I'm not going to even just try, I'm going to put it here because I'm going to splodger that. Embossing, and is signed by Tricia. Make sure you check out the stunning character art print by my Valen Styles on the reverse side of the author's letter. Now, I heard about the Fairyloot, and what they tend to do is they do art. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. They do art behind the dust jacket. Now, isn't that stunning? And the book has a silver foil. Okay, let's see if we can, there we go. Book has a silver foil and embossed roses in the front. Okay, that is pretty. That is stunning. Okay, be back in focus, guys. There we go. That is literally stunning. Wow. Okay. Fairyloot is really up there with these subscription boxes. Okay, I'm guessing these are postcards, so that's really cool. So there's about 3 postcards. What's something? Yeah, 3 postcards. There's an art print. That's cool. And a letter by the author. And I'm guessing this is an author interview, and the copy that we have by Fairyloot is purple and the original one is red, so that's the only difference. Interesting. So next month's theme is Break the Curse, and I actually ordered that one as well because I was waiting to subscribe. So yes. Oh my god, this is an amazing box. I was not expecting all of these cool things, and they're items that I probably will use. So thumbs up for Fairyloot. I can't wait for March to arrive already, and we're already in March because it's the 1st of March. So yeah, thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a lovely day wherever you're in the world, and I'll see you shortly. Bye guys.